Hey guys, welcome back to another at-home fitness class with Fintana Fit. So today what we're going to do is a 10-minute core and ab workout. So we're going to be working on the fronts, the sides, and we're also going to be working on our glutes as well. Alright, so it's 10 minutes, it's 5 exercises, it's 2 sets of those exercises. This is for beginners and all abilities. If you want to make it a little bit harder for yourself, then you can challenge yourself throughout these exercises. But again, this is for beginners who are looking to get back into training. If they've had a little bit of time off through lockdown, this one's for you. Alright, so it's 40 seconds on, 20-second recovery. The first one is going to be the plank hold. Okay, so we're just going to go in 10 seconds. Again, if you want to make it a little bit easier for yourself, you can go on your knees. Make sure your backside's down, your core's tight, or you can be up on your feet. In 2, 1, let's go. Here we go. So again, we're doing 2 sets of each exercise, 5 exercises, 10 minutes. Nice quick workout, especially on when we've had busy days, working away. Let's fit in that 10 minutes, 20 seconds to go. Hold that tummy nice and tight, backside down. You can up for 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Good, just hold that tummy nice and strong. Make sure you tuck your pelvis up underneath you as well. 2, 1, and rest. Good, so again, if you need to go on your knees in the second set, go on your knees in the second set, but we're going to do another set of the plank, and that will already be one of our first exercises done. We're only 4 more to go. Alright, so we're going to go in 8 seconds, back into position in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So again, making sure that backside isn't sticking up in the air. We're tucking our pelvis underneath so we can switch on those lower abs as well. So this will start to get a little bit more difficult in that second set, but we're really looking to challenge and make those abs and core work.
Halfway there.
20 seconds to go, really feel that burn. From here we're going to switch into a different exercise. The next set number 2.
10 seconds.
8 seconds to go. Hold that tummy, hold it tight. 2, 1, and rest. Good. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to flip onto our back and we're going to work on our glutes. We're going to do diamond glute bridge. We're going to have our heels together, knees point apart, and we're just going to push those hips up into the air, and we're going to hold that position for 40 seconds. Again, exercise number 2, 2 sets, 2, 1, lift. Good, there we go. So it's really important to keep the heels pressed together. You'll feel those glutes contract and those knees pointing away from the body. Keep the hips nice and high, push those heels together, and again keep that tummy tight so you can protect that lower back.
Halfway there.
Good, 20 seconds to go. Again, touch the glutes, make sure they're switched on, they're fired up. Good. Keep that going. We're almost there, 10 seconds to go. So the glutes are a fundamental part of the core as well. 3, 2, 1, and rest. These help us transfer power through all different exercises in our training. So the glutes are super important for us to keep them engaged, keep them activated, and keep those switched on to protect that lower back as well. We're going to go back in 5 seconds, same one again, exercise number 2, set 2, 1, and lift. There we go. Again, want a nice straight line, as if an aeroplane's taking off. We want to make sure a nice straight line running from the shoulders to the hips, to our knees. We don't want to be arching our back too much. We don't want to feel any pressure in our lower back. If you have, just lower your hips down a little bit and just keep squeezing those heels together. Good work everybody, keep that going. We'll get 10 seconds coming up.
10 seconds.
Keep the squeeze on the glutes. Keep them fired up. Next we're going to work into the side planks. 2, 1, and rest. Good. The next one, side plank. Beginners, we can be on our knees, bring those hips up. And for intermediate or advanced, we can go on our feet. We're going to be here. Again, nice straight line from the elbow, shoulder, all the way down the hips to the ankles. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. And what we're going to do here in the side plank position is we'll do 1 set on the right and then we'll do one set on the left. If you're on your left, just switch over on the second set, and that will be our 2 sets on exercise number 3. We're almost there. Keep those hips nice and high. You can touch the sides to make sure it's switched on.
Halfway there.
There we go, keep that going. Good work, 15 seconds to go, just nice, static, strong hold here.
10 seconds.
We're almost there. You have your hand here, or your hand at your hip, whatever you feel is most comfortable. 3, 2, 1, and rest. So I'm going to do now, on the second set, I'm going to switch over to my left side. If you've done the left in the first one, you can switch onto your right elbow. So again, we're going to set ourselves up, making sure we get that nice straight line. Just imagine a line across the ground, ankles, hips, elbow. 3, 2, 1, up. There we go. That's it, there we go. Again, your hand can be up here, you can get a little bit more of a dip in the hips, or it can be at the waist. You do what feels comfortable. Again, you can be on your feet or on your knees, depending on how you're feeling this exercise.
Halfway there.
20 seconds to go. Keep those hips high. You're doing really well, everybody. Keep it up. Good. We're almost at the exercise number 4. We'll get 10 seconds. We got a really good one to work the lower abs after this exercise number 4 coming up. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good. What we're going to do to work the lower tummy is leg extensions. Hands underneath the back side. We're going to kick all the way out 2 legs, and we're going to kick all the way back in with a little reverse crunch, and we're going to keep doing that for the 40 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So what we're doing here, when the legs come all the way out, we need to tighten up that lower tummy to then bring them back in. Crunch, out, crunch. You've got it, there we go. And again, move at your own pace. We want to make sure you're working the tummy. So just move at the tempo that feels comfortable for you to contract those lower abs. Good work. Exercise number 4. Let's go. Good work. Nice. All the way out. Crunch in. 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Good. Woo. So again, you can feel that in the lower abs. The reason for that is when you bring your legs away from the body and back in, it works your lower tummy. And then when you bring your chest to your knees, it works your upper tummy. And we're going to find that out in exercise number 5, okay? 4, 3, 2. Last one in this, and let's go. There we go. So legs out towards the body, helps work the lower tummy. And when you bring your chest to your knees, that works your upper tummy. Let's keep that going. Good work, everybody. Keep going. Again, if you're moving quicker than me, fantastic. But again, it's not a race. It's just about how well you can do these exercises. We're almost there. We get 10 seconds. Remember, make sure you get that little crunch. Bringing those hips off the ground. Bring those knees back. 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. So what we're going to do, last one is crunches. Our feet are going to be on the ground, and we're just going to pop off the ground for 2 sets of 40 seconds. This is going to be a tough one, but let's hang in there. Last set, 2 sets to go. We have 5 seconds coming up. Knees bent, hands just up. 2, 1, let's go. And again, just come up as far as you feel comfortable. Use your tummy. Don't use your neck, okay? Try and use it all from the abs. Good work, there we go. Good, let's keep that going. Whew. So now you can feel that upper tummy working as we're bringing the chest to the knees. Breathe out the way up. 10 seconds to go. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Oh, there we go. Again, if you need to take a little 5-second break recovery between any of these 40-second efforts, please do. Pause the video as well to give yourself a bit more recovery. Last set, last exercise, 10 minutes done in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. You can see I'm breathing out. As I bring my chest up towards the knees. And it's just a small, small movement. We're 15 seconds in. 25 to go. 20 seconds to go. Halfway. Oh, let's dig, guys. Let's dig in. Whew. Come on, go, 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 go. 12 seconds. We're almost there. Oh, the abs are on fire. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, and rest. Oh boy. Excellent work, everybody. So again, nice and quick. 5 exercises, 2 sets of each exercise, 10 minutes of abs and core. I hope you felt it. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next week. See you later, guys. Bye bye.